her little wet feet and a happy quack, she waddled off to find a snack. Quack, 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 Dizzy's on her way, flapping her wings on a sunny day. Splash, splash, splash in the water so blue, Dizzy Duck's got things to do. She met a frog who could leap so high, he jumped to the moon, almost touched the sky. Come join me, Dizzy, let's play a game. She giggled and quacked, I'm so glad you came. Quack, 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 Dizzy's on her way, flapping her wings on a sunny day. Splash, splash, splash in the water so blue, Dizzy Duck's got things to do. Then she found a fish with shiny scales, telling funny jokes and wiggling tails. They laughed and splashed till the setting sun. Dizzy Duck's day was full of fun. Now the stars are twinkling, the moon's so high.